Hello guys, welcome back to the Convex Theory YouTube channel. In this video I will teach you how you can download and use Meteor Client for Minecraft 1.19. For TLauncher. First of all, open a web browser and search for Fabric Installer. Click the first link and in the website click Download Universal Jar. Save the file to your desired location. Next open up meteorclient.com. This will be the website from where we will downloading the Meteor Client jar file. From here click release 0.5.3. If it redirects you to add .focus, just click the small skip button on the top right corner, and save the file to the location you saved before for your ease. After doing that, we will need Fabric API of 1.19.4, so you have to search up Fabric API download. Also keep in mind that all links will be given down in the description as well. From here, select 1.19.4 and download the latest version. After doing so, you will have to wait for 5 seconds for the link to generate, and then you can save this file to same location you saved the other two files. Now we have completed downloading all the necessary files for Meteor Client. Now open up the place where all three files are located. In my place it's in the folder named Meteor. As you can see, we have all the three files in here. After we are in here, we have to open Fabric Installer that we just downloaded. First open up Fabric Installer that we just downloaded and then select the newest version and also click select the 1.19.4 version. Also you can create profile. For me, I will keep it turned off. Then you can press install. Now we have successfully installed Fabric version loader. As you can see, after installing Fabric you have to open run window and type %appdata%. After that hit enter. After you are in here you have to open .minecraft folder and search for mods folder. In this folder you have to drag and drop these two mods. Once you have done that, you are pretty good to go. You can now open up TLauncher and in the version list you have to search for the version called Fabric. Then enter the game with the version, as easy as that. And now for the testing part. Also, while we wait, can you please consider subscribing and liking this video? It really means a lot and motivates me to make more videos like this. Thank you. The game has now finally loaded up. Let's open up the main control GUI by pressing right shift button. This is what you will see when you open up the GUI. For now I will testingly slaughtering some villagers using plethora.
Sorry for the lag,